Here I have BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the phone's dialer, and let me show you how to easily get access to the IMEI information just by using the secret code. So let's activate the keypad and let's use this code *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI information just pops up on the screen. Tap OK to close this window, and now let's go back, and here from the list of apps, let's find and select Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose About Device, tap here Status, and as you can see here, you've got access to the serial number and also Wi-Fi MAC address, Bluetooth IP address, and you may also tap IMEI information to read the IMEI number of your device. That's it, let's go back, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.